Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubbles you can touch. First, you will need a few simple ingredients: dish soap, water, and either glycerin or light corn syrup. To begin, carefully measure out your components. You will combine 1 part dish soap with 10 parts water, and then add 1 part glycerin or corn syrup. Remember to mix the solution very gently to avoid creating too much foam, which can hinder your bubble-making success. The secret to touch-proof bubbles lies in the added glycerin or corn syrup. These ingredients act as humectants, meaning they attract and retain moisture, which significantly slows down the evaporation of water from the bubble film. This creates a much stronger and more elastic bubble wall. The sugar molecules within the glycerin or corn syrup also increase the surface tension and viscosity of the solution, making the bubbles far more durable and less prone to popping upon contact. For the best results, consider using distilled water instead of tap water. Distilled water lacks impurities that can weaken bubble films, leading to stronger, longer-lasting bubbles. After mixing, allow your solution to rest for at least 2 to 4 hours, or even overnight. This helps the ingredients fully integrate. When blowing, use a slow, steady breath rather than a quick puff. This technique helps form larger, more resilient bubbles that are perfect for touching. Now that you have your touch-proof bubble solution, it's time for some fun. You can gently catch these bubbles in your hand, or even try to stack them without them popping immediately. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of bubble wands to create a variety of shapes and sizes. Remember, while this solution is generally safe, it's always a good idea to supervise young children during play to ensure they don't ingest the mixture. Enjoy your amazing, touchable bubbles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.